Want to see something funny? Who wants cucumber? Look who shows up first. Always Zinga. There he is. Always Zinga. Yup. Uh-oh, here comes Zulu. Yeah. All right, guys. Who wants some cucumber? You guys ready? Can you sit? Good boy. What about you, Zulu? Are you going to sit? Oh, don't get too close now. Okay. Well, let's see. High five. Come on, you can do it. Oh, that's a really high five. Wow. Okay. Sit down. Be gentle now. There you go. Zulu, high five. There you go. Good job. You get some too. Okay. Down. There you go. All right. Good job. All right. And Zulu, down. Good job. All right. You get a couple more pieces here. All right, Zinga Ray. High five. There you go. Nice. You like the big high five, huh? Here you go. And Zulu, high five. Come on, high five. Oh, that's not exactly what I wanted, but that's okay. It's still good. Here you go. All right, guys. Oh, I get a boop. All right, the rest goes in your bowl. Let's go. Guys, come on. Come on. Good guys. Here goes Andrew. That's a couple content puppies right there. They got their cucumber and they're happy. Oh, you guys ready to go outside now too? You want to go outside? Come on.